So today we are going to looking at how to sell before a dump, how to get the perfect exit, because this is a difficult thing for a lot of traders. They can get the perfect entry, but they don't know the perfect time to sell. So we are going to look in this video the perfect time to sell. So with this information, you'll be able to sell a token before a dump. So what we are going to do is that let's go to our filter. I already trade token created from pump.com. So we are going to turn others off and just focus on pump.com token. So every token here is created from pump.com. So now we need to look at older token to get our information. So do like minimum of 60 minutes, then we need to minimum of volume 500,000, then social, at least one social, because any serious token you need to have at least one social account, so we don't want to like betray this scam token. So now we are now at minimum 60 minutes and above. So we are investigating other tokens to know the right time to sell. So the information on other tokens are going to give us the right decision. We need to look for something that is not bundled, something that's one way. So 400, okay, 500 and 500, so 560k market cap. So we have gotten 160k market cap. So this one is still active. So this one 292k market cap, having a good dip and give another entry. So I think this one will be ready to will be the same 500k market cap. Let's look at this. So this one to 255k market cap, then this so 500k plus almost 600k market cap. So based on this information, we have not seen any token that has done 1 million market cap. So based on 1 hour to 2 hours, we have not seen any token that has done 1 million market cap. So if we are to trade, we are not going to look for a TP at a million market cap or a TP at 700k market cap, because we have not seen any. So if we are entering a trade, our first 50% TP, because we need to have 2 TP, our first 50% TP will be around 200k market cap, then the other 50% around 400k market cap. So based on this information, let's go to our normal minimum minute. So let's go back to our normal volume. So based on this information, if I want to trade, I'm going to be looking for a token that will hit a TP of 1 million market cap. So let's say I entered this earlier. So you see, like I said, I want 200k will be our first 50% TP. So my first 50% TP as it. So if I'm looking for the remaining TP to sell to fully get out of this token, I'll wait for like 400k. Normally we are not going to know the token that is going to reach 500k and the ones that is going to die at 200k or 250k plus. So to be safe, we are going to sell 50% at 200k. The remaining 50% will be set at 400k. So this is the information we need to be able to sell before a dump. So if you need the mentorship on how to trade the trenches and make money from it, you need a good mentorship. I have a course that I will show you how to train the trenches, and I will show you strategies to use. And I also have a community group for those that paid for the course. So you are going to be in that community group and you can interact with like-minded traders like you. So that cost is $50. It's going for $50. But since you'll be coming from YouTube, I'm going to give you a 50% discount. So once you are coming from YouTube, I'll give you a 50% discount. So my WhatsApp link will be on the description below, or check the pinned comment. You are going to see my WhatsApp link. So you can message me and register for the class. Also, let's get to 1,000 subscriber. Once we get to 1,000 subscriber, I'm going to release my strategy on how I trade.